on doodling minions. I'm really excited for this video because this is the first time I have tried to doodle a minion. So we'll get started without much delay. I have chosen Bob the minion for this, and let me now show you how I drew Bob. Now I'm going to add some patterns. I'm going for simple shapes and lines to doodle the jumpsuit. You can take it a step further and doodle bananas or minions. Let me know in the comments how it goes. You might have to grab your yellow and blue color pencils to add the final touch to our minion. And look at how adding a little bit of yellow turned out. I really had so much fun doing this. Hope you too enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to What is Your Hobby for more videos.